welcome back, and today I'm going to be making a magical wand, actually a magical wand. So right now, as you see, this is actually a clear wand. So basically, I already did this. I filled it up with water, and I put these little tablets in. And I put blue and red, and I ended up with purple. As you see, it looks like black, but it's actually purple. And I have these bubbles. That's actually really cool. So next, we're going to put in some crystals, and and this is my teaspoon. I'm gonna put the crystals in my teaspoon.
Just 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Thirsty crystals.
Oh, that looks nice.
Okay, so come up to me, guys.
See? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that.
Let's put a little bit.
Yeah, we're putting a little more. Oh, look at it, guys, look. Do you see that?
No. Maybe put the... I don't know if you should... Well, let's read.
Do you see it? The crystals are in there. Look.
It says to wait about an hour until the crystals have soaked up all the colored water. So, we'll wait. We'll be back.
Bye. Alright guys, welcome back. It has been an hour, and if you guys hear loud noises, that's because we have some scratching going on and stuff like that. And my uncle is about to saw, so.
They're magical?
They're magical because they soak up all that water. Now, when they soak up all that water, they turn into a big, huge crystal. So as you see that it turned, there was only like a centimeter of crystals in there, but now there's a whole big crystal right here. So we're gonna dump it in this wand, and Mom's gonna help me.
It's kind of squishy. You want to tell them what it feels like?
It feels like Jell-O.
And did you tell them what it felt like before it got soaked up with water?
It felt hard. Very hard. Is it like...
So these are very magical crystals.
Okay, those are... Here, I'm going to show them. Guys.
And now you don't want to put these down your drain.
Yes.
Because they will clog your drain. So you want to just throw them away.
You just want to
in the
throw
garbage.
them away in your outside
safely.
Garbage. Or your inside garbage.
Where they won't ruin your plumbing.
Yes. You're going to have to do plumbing for a year. We had that problem.
Okay.
One time.
Now you can put the cap on the other side.
Yes.
All right, now your wand is done.
It's my wand. Feel these, guys. Feel these. Feel it. Guys, you guys need to feel it so much. Can you feel it? Did you guys feel that? This is so weird. Alright, well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.